What's up, y'all? I just wanted to give you an update on the wife's Mustang. Here it is. I got headlights in it, and got the motor put in it. I know I should be recording all these things, but we didn't get any of the hardware with it, so it's been a lot of trial and error with nuts and bolts and everything. It's been a huge hassle, but we did also get it running. No, it's off yet, but it's running. Does drive too. I backed it in here. Well, I don't know if it goes through the gears yet, but it is running. And it does go into gear. It does go forward and backwards, at least the first gear. So that's my progress on it so far. Interesting ride, but that's how far we got with it so far, and let you guys know when we get further. We still got to do a lot of body work and paint. We'll get it done. Till next time, y'all. Later.